Guerrilla Network Drama and Lifestyle Channel. Echoes in the Dome. Episode: What We Owe Council Audits Demand Personal Logs. Markin refuses to surrender Jess's medical notes and places his badge on the table. Kaylin volunteers for reassignment to shield Lyra from political fallout. Lyra steps forward before anyone can speak and takes his hand in full view of the council. "We do not owe you our love," she says. "We owe each other our truth."
Korean sea crystals. Drift deeper than gravity allows.
Gala Pulse Network Celebrity Desk. Love leaks under the dome. Rumors swirl that Echoes in the Dome stars Lyra Van and Cass Halden are rehearsing off-script after hours. The pair deny it, calling their chemistry purely professional.
Soling body array. Fragrance tuned to your mood.
Studio sources say extra security was added near the soundstage lounge.
Kintra threads. Dress loud, stay silent.